lunchbox. Let's open it together. I open up my lunchbox wide, and guess who's waiting there inside? A shiny apple, red and round, with the crispy, crunchy, juicy sound. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Next I see a little drink with a happy face and a purple wink. It's juice, it's cool, it's very sweet, the perfect sip for lunchtime treat. Slurp, slurp. Ooh, a sandwich wrapped up tight with cheese and lettuce. What a sight! It waves at me and gives a wink. Pick me first, it tries to blink. What's inside the lunchbox today? Let's sing and dance, hooray, hooray. Fruit and snacks and juice to drink. Tasty fun, what do you think? Yum! Then comes a banana, yellow and bright. It slips and slides and brings delight. Peel me slow, it likes to say, I'm your snack to start the day. Yum! Yogurt's here with a tiny spoon. He dances in a milky tune. With berry swirls and creamy cheer, he shouts, hey friends, I'm finally here. But wait, one more, a cookie round with chocolate chips that swirl around. He giggles, jumps, and does a spin. Desert times when I begin. Lunchbox dancing full of cheer. Tasty friends are waiting here. Healthy snacks that help us play. Fueling fun all through the day. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Lunchbox time is super sweet. That was so much fun! What's your favorite snack in your lunchbox? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, bees!